Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to configure simple queue destination address on a MikroTik router. So this is the topology that we'll be using, and it is the same topology as the previous lab. In the lab sebelumnya atau video sebelumnya ya, topologinya masih sama. Namun di sini kita akan konfigurasikan destination address dan kita pakai website. Di sini destination website-nya akan kita gunakan yaitu adalah ftp.unpad.rc.id. So simple queue is a bandwidth management features in a MikroTik that allows network administrator to limit the access speed of a specific device or service. And one important parameter in a simple queue is destination address, which is used to specify the destination IP address or server that will be subject to bandwidth limitation. By using this parameter destination address, we can control the speed of access to certain IP address, such as website, file server, or other internet service. So without further ado, let's get started with the configuration. So in this section we will continue from the previous lab atau dari video sebelumnya. So we first need to delete the simple queue configuration we previously created. So we can check here, queue simple print. Di sini ada satu queue simple yang sebelumnya kita buat. Now we will delete the simple queue, configure the we previously created. To do this, we can use command queue simple remove numbers 0. Queue simple print. Terlihat. And as you can see, we have successfully delete the role of queue simple here. Next, now we will try accessing the speed test website to check the current bandwidth speed. So we can open the Windows here, the Windows client here, and open the speed test. Then we can test the speed test now. We can speed test here. Speed test setelah kita hapus rule yang sebelumnya tadi sudah kita buat ya. Kita tunggu sampai proses speed testnya selesai. Now as you can see, the test result shows that the client is receiving upload and download speed as provided the ISP. Next we will limit the bandwidth that the PC client can use. So we will create a simple queue with a 5 Mbps upload limit and 10 Mbps download limit. So to do this, we can use command queue simple add name-nya di situ, contohnya kita pakai PC client di sini, PC client, and then next is target. Nah, target ini itu adalah IP dari Windows-nya ini. Jadi IP dari Windows-nya ini kita cek config, IP-nya itu adalah 192.168.11.253. So and the target field now we can add here yaitu 192.168.11.253. Next after target we can add the max limit here, or the bandwidth limit for so for the upload is 5 Mbps ya, upload 5 Mbps, so 5M slash, and then for the download is 10 Mbps, so 10M. Now we can Okay, now we can enter here, and then we can check by using command qw simple print. And as you can see, now we have successfully added the rule here. Name is PC client, target is IP address from the PC client, and then this is the max limit, 5 Mbps for the upload and 10 Mbps for the download. Okay, now we can try again the speed test. Can open and then klik here. Kita coba lagi speed testnya di sini. Kita klik ulangi. Oke, kita tunggu sampai prosesnya selesai. Kita tunggu sampai proses speed testnya ini selesai. Okay, as a result, now the PC client bandwidth has been successfully limited. This can be seen from the download and upload speeds that match the rule we created using max limit, which are the 10 Mbps for the download and 5 Mbps for the upload. Okay, now we will try to limit bandwidth based on the destination website. So for example, we will limit the bandwidth to ftp unpad.ac.id here. Ini ya, ftp.unpad.ac.id, and to 5 Mbps for upload and 10 Mbps for download. However, before applying the limitation, we need to find out the public IP address of the website. So we can to do this, we can use the nslookup command through the command prompt. Okay, so we can open the command prompt here, and then we can type nslookup, and then we can type the domain name. Domain name itu adalah ftp.unpad.ac.id. Jadi ftp.unpad.ac.id. Nah, as you can see here, and this is the IP public from the domain ftp.unpad.ac.id. Jadi ini adalah IP publicnya yang dimiliki oleh ftp unpad.ac.id ya. Jadi kita akan menggunakan address ini atau IP public ini sebagai destination address yang akan kita buat di rule QW simple nanti. Okay, once we know the public IP address of the domain ftp unpad, and now we can add the new simple queue to limit bandwidth to that site. So we can open the winbox here, and then the limit to be applied is 5 Mbps for upload and 10 Mbps for download. So to do this, we can use command is qw simple add and name. Nah, namanya di sini sebagai contoh, misalnya saya pakai nama itu adalah limit, lalu nama intinya adalah 4 ya. Okay, next, is target. Nah, target itu berarti IP dari IP yang dimiliki oleh PC itu sama, berarti 11.253. Jadi kita masukkan di sini 11.253. Oke, next, now is destination. Nah, destination ini kita masukkan IP public dari nama domain yang tadi kita cari ya. Tadi itu adalah nama IP publicnya itu adalah 111.223.252.130. Jadi kita masukkan di sini 223, lalu 252, lalu 130. And then you can use max limit here. So we can use max limit. Jadi for the upload is 5 Mbps, 5M, and then for the download is 10 Mbps. Now we can check here QW simple print, and as you can see we have successfully 8 here. The rule QW simple limit 4, targetnya itu adalah IP from the PC client, and the destination is IP public from the domain FTP Unpad, and this is the max limitnya itu 5 Mbps for the upload and 10 Mbps for the download. Okay, next we change the order of the simple queue for FTP for the limit on path to position number 0, so that it receives the highest priority in the queue simple. So to do this, you can use command queue simple move numbers. Ini kita mau ubah nomor 1 atau rule limit 4 ini ke flex 0, jadi nomor saya adalah 1, lalu destinationnya, nah destinationnya kita akan ubah kemana nih, flexnya ini awalnya 1, kita akan ubah kemana ya, priority teratas itu adalah 0, jadi kita destinationnya 0. Oke, sekarang kita cek QW simple print, and as you can see we have successfully changed the urutan dari simpit namanya. Sini awalnya limit 4 itu berada di flex 1, sekarang sudah kita ubah, dan kita ubah limit 4 sekarang berada di flex 0. Okay, now we can test, or we can verify. We can open here, and as a test we can open the FTP unpad.ac.id website, and then go to the ISO section, and then try downloading one of the available files. Jadi sekarang kita coba download di sini salah satu file di sini ya. Sekarang kita coba download. Contoh dari saya coba download Debian 12. Oke, di sini sudah terdownload. Di sini sudah ada proses downloadnya. Oke, now we can open the web mailbox, and okay, now to confirm the result, go to the QW tab, and then we can select the limit on path here. Nah, di sini kita lihat ya, statusnya dia sedang terpakai ya, warna merah karena dia sedang terpakai. Coba buka di sini, and then we can go to the traffic session, and there is will show that the download speed has been limited according to the QW setting we created, which is 10 Mbps for the FTP unpad.ac.id website. Bisa lihat di sini di traffic ya, downloadnya itu kita limit ya tadi ya menjadi 10 Mbps ya, tuh ya, download maksimal 10 Mbps, dan di sini terlihat trafficnya sudah berhasil kita limit menjadi 10 Mbps gitu ya. Okay, and I think that's it for this tutorial. Mohon maaf segala kata dan kekurangan. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.